The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall Skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now there's a video that is circulating on social media that shows of the artist that is known as Stylo being visited by members of the Jamaica police force and taken to the police station for processing due to an accusation that has been made that the entertainer has been seen with gun in his possession. This video that is out on social media shows of the entertainer and police officers arguing, and this video also raises quite a few questions. However, I am going to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding for yourself. But bear in mind that this video is somewhat dramatic, so viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now take a look and observe.
Never live. Me live on my Instagram now with our Cayman as estate. You understand my people? Brother, this is on my Instagram. Brother, people send police at my place. Police at my place. Police. Yo, hold this. Hold this. Don't take it off, yeah? Please, darling. Please, you know my rights, brother. I'm gonna search the place, we're gonna find no gun. Instagram live, keep it on them because the police come, keep it live. This is Jamaica, we don't trust nothing. Police come, people send police. We don't live here. People send police to search and they find gun. Police never find no gun. Why you want to arrest me and bring me to the station? They can't process it, right? That's all. Oh, she call Richard, call Lawyer, call them people. I don't live here, bro. I don't live here. We don't want to arrest people. We don't do nothing, bro.
Don't forget they're not in England.
Eh?
Don't forget that they're not in England.
Yeah, but we still on a certain rights. Yeah, we still on a certain rights. Why you want to arrest me when you don't find a gun? There's no gun, there's no weapon in the house. There's never.
When they don't talk, Stylo go. If they still talk,
this is, everybody has seen this now. This is wrong. This is wrong.
Doesn't matter.
I'm here working. When you know my music, brother, never come my music. When you come search the place, you search the place. When you never find no guns.
And when all is said and done, you
never find no gun, brother.
Where's the station?
Yo, turn the camera upon them, brother. You don't trust nothing, brother. You never find no gun, officer. So why you want to bring me to the station? Why you want to bring me to the station? There's no guns in the house.
Sir.
We're not leaving without a liar. Hey, push it. We're not leaving without a liar, brother. I don't want to go, brother. There is incidents. There's incidents where people get beat up in that here. Man get killed in that here.
Excuse me?
We don't need to go liar.
Okay.
Brother, I'm not here, brother. You now move. I'm not going to no station. I'm not going to no station until we know me in the right hands, brother. There's no way. I don't live in Jamaica. I live in England. And you're going to tell me, say, you search my place, you never find no gun, but you have to bring all of us to the station.
Take us to the police station tomorrow.
Come on, man. Come on. No lies, brother. I went to Calabar High School. I'm very, brother. When you come, kick out the door, gun, everything I will face. But here, there is no weapons here. There is no weapons, officer. You know this thing.
Why you don't want to?
I'm here with my music, brother.
I know. Exactly.
That's no fear. That's no real, brother. You're going to take us to the station right now for what? Process. Bro, I don't live here. I'm going to take you here. We can't call us and find out people who are here or not. It happened already, brother.
When all this is done, proceed. You still have to go.
Brother, I'm here, so I don't work. I got work to do, brother. I have to work hard. This is how I pay my kids bill, and they want to stop my work because who don't get information so they're not going.
Sir, listen. Get an ID. So if you go be a double, you go resist.
But only I resist.
Man, if you don't want to come to the station, you gotta put the handcuff on you and carry it. So you better let us cooperate.
Why you want to arrest me?
Listen, this one I said to you. Inspector said to you that we are going to take you to the training school down at Spanish School. We are going to process your means and we are going to check out your background. And if you're good, we carry you back. If you come back, when you're good, we go here. Simple as that. And I have said, hold on, me I said to you, no.
What? Keep it on the line, brother. I'm not just not better. I'm not just going to a station. Never go a station at Jamaica. I ain't got there from I'm 15 years old.
This are dead.
Come on, brother.
Phone are dead.
Nothing we're fine.
Oh Lord.
Bring your eye on the police. They know you don't want to do like
That's what I'm saying. I'm having a police car. I disrespect that boss. I don't know that. You don't know that big man. So you come out and find. No, you just know it. But you don't want to give us hard. And that's what it is. We go. Keep it on Instagram like same way.
Your battery are dead. Your battery are dead.
Charge it. Make the whole world see what Jamaica system state. Charge it. Charge it, brother. No. Charge it.
What the
Get a lie upon the case. You tell me something about bring me back. You took up a lock me up in a police van. I mean, I'm a big Benz college. I want to
big with the adapter, the card.
Same name of the guy call the police. You see, you never see the 25 more house. 25, 50 more house. You never see the 25 more house. Remember that? You feel like you don't know can buy a house. Come to not call police at our gun there.
Yeah. Alright.
So take it out of the line with the stairs.
Jamaica police training college.
I'm trying to car. Look, no. You're supposed to have a car. Dictate to the police. No,
You look up the stove him?
Yeah, you can turn around on the stool and lock up on
You know what? USB.
Yeah, she they put that down. Put that regular t-shirt down. I'll do it, man. Yes, I'm done.
Bring him leader USB.
Yeah, keep washing.
Look at the TV.
No, they don't find it. The problem was, I don't know what the problem is, but here I go. Them come on them.
Feel like man wasting time. So feel like policemen to bring you back here, brother.
Hello?
Me not police van, what me have? If me not a police van, what me have? What me have man in a police van? I'm a big Benz outside the work hard for. When I come neighbor come call police walk on there. I want to do that. Brother, I want to do that. I'm here not bring me a police car, I'm a child car, brother. Bring me a police jeep like someone like this. I'm going to chuck that. I want to do that. I want to do that police van. I want to do that. I'm a child car, man. This is my right, brother. Yeah, man, nice, brother. There ain't no gun.
Okay,
I know that person have to go in a van back. I feel like that, right?
Sorry. You know what kind of back?
You know the back of the van?
No. I'm not driving on a van back.
Which one we are going to?
I'm not driving on a van back.
Hello, calm down on yourself and go on a vehicle, man. Come to man. Lock up the house and calm down and go on a vehicle, man.
You see, everybody has to don't go on a jeep. We're not going to, brother. See the Instagram, all it is. Don't lock it up, brother.
They keep it also.
Let me keep it, brother. Everything. Wait. I Officer,
Come on, officer.
let me say, I know say I wanna run the road, but there's levels and there's respect, brother. At our place, when you come out on the search and you find a weapon,
Yo,
when you leave, you make work, and do some work, brother.
Yeah, we have some. We don't have a problem this. We don't know.
You understand me? One want to go and see the police van for. I'm not a criminal, brother. We're not criminal, that's a virgin. Come on, man. I know no want them to say we are resist, so I put handcuff for it. Come on, man. We know deep down this a waste of time. We know deep down this a waste of time.
We in Kingston
We
are
don't
criminals.
know deep down this a waste of time.
Yeah.
I want you to know about my own friend.
What's it? Soup name?
And Inspector Clark.
Inspector Clark is there, sir. Me is Stylo, and I think he's sergeant and he's corporal.
There's no
On
gun.
private.
When you see young youth trying to
No, we don't have
house,
nothing in the case. That's what I'm saying. It's getting weird because I'm telling
I'm gonna buy 10 more dogs. I'm gonna move right next to the wall on the boss. It's the thing, man. Come on, man.
Bobby has a car.
Quick and far. We keep telling it quick and far.
Down at the college. Down at the college.
So isn't it possible that one of you could drive at the front, we drive in the car, and somebody drive behind us?
Station.
I'm at
In
Central
section-
Village.
So who is saying Twickenham Park? That is the same place?
Close by us. Same thing, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, cool.
Yo.
I need to go get my kids from school actually.
One thing we learn not to talk more one time. At the end of the day, the more you talk, the longer way they are. Because if we not left, we just not leave. And if it happen, it happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, so there you have it. I just showed you a video showing off the Jamaican artist known as Stylo being taken in by members of the Jamaica police force for questioning because there has been claims that he has gun in his possession. And from the police force visit you, then you can assume that the gun would be illegal. The entertainer talks about being put into the police vehicle a certain way, and I would assume that it would seem embarrassing a certain way towards the entertainer. You know what I mean? However, remember, you have to bear in mind that this thing says that there is claims of him having gun in his possession. So therefore, you know, this whole story might not be true about the accusations put on the entertainer right about now, you see me? And with what the entertainer is going through right about now, and at the end of the day, when all is said and done, what if it is not true? You know, those are some of the things that is being asked out there on social media pertaining to this video right about now, you see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where me leave it with you. Accusations that has been made that the entertainer that is known as Stylo has been seen with gun. Alright, and we will keep an eye open to see what happens as this story develops. Until then, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.